skin off.
Have you ever wanked too hard you get your skin off?
No.
That's what he said.
Get a little bit of skin off.
Wank too hard or too many times.
Is there
We've got a lock kit for the compact, and we've been wanting to do some street over for a while, so we're gonna fit the lock kit. I've also got a broken drive shaft that we got fixed.
Shall I bring it in?
Bring it in. I'll get the knuckle.
Big boomerang.
So, we've got knuckles, extended arms. This is a Wizards of Lock. Wizards of Lock. 25 mil, I think I went for. They were like, oh, what'd you do? And I was like, well, I just do a bit of Street-O, and then the occasional drift day. And I don't want it to be nuts, because I'm not a pro drifter. So we just went 25 mil, reduced Ackerman, whatever that does.
What is that?
Ackerman's like when your two wheels meet at a certain point. No, I don't know. Well, someone explain it.
Lock the lock wizard.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a lock kit. So I got more angle for skids, because there was a point at the last drift day where you go around a corner and if it just sort of like, you run out of lock, you're just hitting full lock and it sucks.
So this will improve that.
Yep, if you're wondering where we've been for 2 months.
Not in this country.
Not in this country. I hate it. I hate January. Look at this weather.
State of it.
Yeah, I hate it. Jack, do you want to give us an update on your BMW?
In pieces.
Should we have a look?
Yeah, go on then. Crashed.
Whoa!
Fuck.
Jack's head gasket went. He's got a new motor. He's been building that.
Yeah.
So we got to do a motor swap and fix some panels, do some bushings.
Tidy it up.
Yeah. Oh, this is disgusting. Update on this. We're getting there.
Let's have a massive session, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to bring all the knowledgeable people in.
Yeah. We've gotten to a point where we're just lost. We got the engine in. We got all the electrics done and the fuel, and it started cranking, but we got no spark. So.
We've done what we know about general engines,
Yeah.
don't we? But when it comes to specific stuff for this,
Yeah, we have no idea. So yeah, a couple of the boys come around at some point, like smart boys, and then we're just gonna have a sesh and see if we can get it started. And then once we've done that, I'll get motivation, we'll just start doing loads of stuff. So yeah, more videos on that soon.
Oh! Whoa! That went straight down my neck. Oh, God.
Oh, this is going to be fucking easy.
Don't say that.
We've got to replace all that.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Get on with it.
Right, let's strip one down,
Yeah.
and then just see where we're at.
Pass them off. Like this.
It's actually a nice bit of kit, isn't it?
See how far you can throw it.
Oh my God.
You're going to have some camber, mate.
I know what you can do. Do some drift repairs on this.
Oh, yeah. Full that, I reckon.
Nice and even there, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot less. Oh my God.
What have you found?
They've ripped out down there. You've got no thingy on there.
Give it a little wobble.
I don't think I was doing too much.
Well,
Just a roll bar now.
better take it.
No anti about it.
That can go back on the coupe, if it fits. Bit there.
Amen.
In there.
It's very, very nice. Consistency of like pubes.
Like
If you're motting out a real pube, yeah. Bowl of tash, that is. Oh, fuck. Oh, it went over.
in the sinuses.
Really do have a ball joint split, I reckon.
Yeah, we could do. Hey.
weight to it.
Right, one knuckle out. Right, let me get this side out then, real quick. Woo.
Dirty bitch.
Get that caliper off then.
Oh. Good.
Looked it.
I've never seen that before.
Fuck you then. Alright, get the arms off then.
Yeah.
These ones. Look at that. Andy's Pro Drift Repair. Solid. Yeah, she's gone. There you go. There it is.
Jeez Louise.
Old. Where's the new one?
Nice. New one.
Ah, about 25 mil, isn't it?
Something like that.
Really should have got new lollipop bushings, but I forgot.
Alright.
Just doing it.
No, you're tearing up. Mate, they're going to be smoked, I reckon.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Show me how messed up they are. It's a Sunday, and no parts shops are open, so we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow, get some new lollipop bushings, then we can get them on, but we're gonna keep going. We need to swap the knuckles around, we still need to do a drive shaft. Jack's car's got some issues we need to have a look at. Right, I don't think we've shown this on camera.
No.
Your new daily.
Yeah, very nice.
What is it?
530D.
You've just had the bumper redone as well, haven't you?
Yeah, I love it. I really like the colour now.
But we got some issues, haven't we?
Yeah, engine lights on, airbag lights on.
So, we're going to do a little diagnosing thing. Oh yeah. So, this goes in your OBD2 port.
Oh, easy.
Let's see the miles.
Oh, nearly 247.
Ah, that's good. Good car. Fault probability high. Mileage fraud high.
Fraud?
Ooh. What have you got on the dash? Engine light and airbag light. Let's have a look.
Still gets beaten by the Aris.
It doesn't.
What?
It doesn't.
Andy smoked you 3 times.
Mile 5, 6 times.
No.
I said, you go and I'll chase you past you.
None of that happened.
Don't lie to the camera.
It didn't happen. There's no way this £40,000 beast got beaten by your
Just a minute.
tin on wheels.
A minute.
No.
I'll get it up on here. Do you want the message? Do you want the message? The
Let me see the
is
message,
best.
actually.
Left me for dust, you little shit.
What do you say to that, Jack?
Well, I'll have my redemption.
We found 17 issues. Very bad. Engine, right, let's have a look at the engine management, the engine light. Critical issues. Ah, it's your boost pressure.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
Well, you keep getting smoked by the Aris.
It's really whiny, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's really loud.
Yeah.
And then it will have nothing until 3K and it just hits you like a brick wall.
No, it
It'll
doesn't. It's never hit you like a brick wall.
Mate, it pulls like a train.
Don't ever say that. Oh, there you go, Andy. Potential consequences. Acceleration / pull may be slower.
Yeah.
Pull.
Than a Yaris.
Code is 001E30.
It's the actuator.
Turbo actuator.
Yeah, so that'll get added to eBay basket, I reckon.
Nice. Should we do some coding then? Instead
Yeah.
of whilst we're here. Coding?
Yeah.
Right, do you want audible confirmation when unlocking your car?
Yeah.
Optical confirmation, yeah. Yeah. Audible, yeah. Yeah. Code car. Turn it off and go
Once
back
that's
in.
done.
I think so.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh,
There we go. I like that.
stoked on that. How'd you get the amber lights on?
Side markers US.
Oh yeah. On? Hey!
They're working.
That's sick. That actually looks pretty sick. I've just found a sick one.
What?
This sounds so like pointless.
What?
Power windows after ignition's off. So under your window now. This you actually wouldn't believe how handy this is. Now,
I
now turn your
know.
car off and open the door. Try and do the window up. You can't.
No.
Right, now turn the car back on. Power windows after ignition off. On. Code car. Done. Try now.
This might actually change my life.
It's actually a game changer.
Does it work for your one as well?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Works for Passat.
Digital garage? That's it, used car reports.
Downloaded it. Well, you get PDF. Above average for your mileage, but
That's what we want.
I can tell you that.
Above average is good, above average at school is good. Anything above average is good.
How much? Sorry.
Have we got a deal for everyone, Jack? You actually bought this using my deal last time.
Yeah, I did, because I messaged you, and then you hooked me up. I didn't think I'd use it much. I used it on like 15 cars within 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's actually sick. This video is actually sponsored by Carly, so shout out to Carly for sponsoring this video. I can actually get you 15% off these if you want to get one. There's a link in the description down there. Get a Carly. That's it.
Sick.
Rate it.
Rate it.
Good bit of kit.
There you go. Go get Carly because they're actually sick, and you can just shove it in your glove box.
Yeah,
and then if you ever get a code or like a thing on your dash, just plug it in, and then you know straight away. And you don't have to go to a garage. Cheers, Carly. Nice one. Cheers, Jack.
That's right. Thank you for doing it to my car.
That's right.
Cheers, Carly.
Hey, we're all friends here, aren't we?
What up?
Well done. Right, back to cars. Other cars, not this car. Oh yeah.
Smells like crayons. I didn't mean it to go up my nose.
Moving on, we've got to get the wheel bearing off the old knuckles and onto the new ones.
Whoa, seriously, bitch. No, it's shot for brekkie.
Give me a 10 mil, Anne. Give me a 10 mil spanner. No.
Speak to me like that again, I'll slap the taste out of your mouth. Back go.
So this is the new knuckle. Move your fat hand. Why don't you just put it in the bearing and then knock the whole bearing in?
Well, that's a fucking good shout.
Go on, give it some space.
There you go.
Ain't just good looks, am I?
Yeah. Small cock as well.
Dad would know.
That's done. This is fucking easy.
Lovely!
You want to talk it up or gun it up?
Gun it. Alright, so that's one knuckle done. We're going to do the next one now. We'll time lapse it because you don't need to see it again. Alright, so we got both hubs done. We're not running the dust shield because they are shagged anyway. Other good news, we might actually have found someone who's got some lollipop bushes in Gloucester. So that might be happening. We're trying to figure that out. So whilst we're doing that, this drive shaft is smoked. I got another one, a good one down here, so we're just gonna swap that out. And then hopefully we'll get this back together and we skid in tonight.
Whoa.
Yeah, I reckon the internals on that is a bit fucked. Drive shaft, done.
Oh, fuck me. What am I doing?
Why wheel?
I bet this is going to feel fucking mint. Oh, that's going to go. Oh.
Satisfying, isn't it?
Nice.
Done.
Hated that.
Right, there it is. 2 polyed lollies. So, what just happened?
We just inserted these lovely donated bushes.
Yeah, shout out to Kyle. He just literally, Jack messaged him and he was like, yeah, I got some in stock. He had some polys.
Yeah.
So we just had to cut the sleeves out of the old ones, whack the new polys in, so we got some polybushed.
Mate, that went so well. And to think we were like upstairs thinking, oh, we'll just go home in a minute.
Yeah, we
And
were going to go home.
And then Carl's like, yeah, I've got some, I'll bring them around, I'm not doing anything. Oh,
Sunday night delivery service.
good upgrade that.
That is. So now we've got polys, and we're ready to go.
Yes, we're going to put them on now. Yeah, that was it.
should have just built this on the floor.
I think this car's easy enough, isn't it?
Yeah, they totally. But yeah. No, but I mean, saying that, I remember Stu's like 60 mil or 80 mil. His compact, and he had the Star 5 mil.
It's going to look so aggressive from the front. Are they not vented this on this car?
It's 316.
You need to upgrade these brakes.
Nah.
Yeah. Not far off.
I like the way you're just doing everything.
Seems to be the way, doesn't it?
Do you want me to do it?
No, it's alright.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
20 mil.
Unless you want to do it, it's just.
It's a piece of piss, isn't it?
So we've got mine.
Oh!
It's got carted by a Wizard of Lockhart. Rick,
What?
can I have the podgy bar, please?
Gearbox. Just gearboxes.
She's in.
Don't take them off. You ain't getting that out.
Oh, surgical. Oh, God.
How are we looking, boys?
Pretty good.
We've got enough thread on these to,
Work.
yeah, be okay.
You're getting it tracked anyway, so we're only
Yeah.
eyeballing it. Oh. Tell you what, it's not even that Camry. Sorry.
It's actually not.
Oh, that's lush.
That's spot on.
I'm just touching the bottom
Just
line.
do outside to outside.
I'm touching the bottom of my trim on the top.
Yeah.
And then I'm going just to the. What's that?
That's 25 mil.
And then do that one to there.
And then no, I'll do the edge of the wing here.
Yeah.
25 and 20. Alright, yeah, 25 there.
Yeah.
As long as it's 20.
20, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, baby. Like I said, we didn't go nuts. It's only 25 mil, but that's still a lot more than it was.
Yeah, it's a good amount.
Nice.
Someone might say you might need spaces or something. Probably someone will comment on there.
Yeah, probably. We're hitting the inside of the wheel just a bit.
You're on the studs, aren't you?
Yeah. That's full lock, so should we go test it?
Yeah. Better, hadn't we?
Yeah. It's dark, so I'm not going to film this because it's pitch black, but
No.
we'll do some testing and I will see you in the morning.
No.
Nice.
Sweet.
Cheers, boys.
Well done.
Sound.
I've just taken this to get aligned, so I've just had the tracking done. It actually feels so dialed. Yeah, I was bashing roundabouts like all night. And the lock kit makes such a huge difference. Can't really explain it, but yeah, feels mint. There's a few like greasy patches I hit on the roundabouts, like where normally I would have spun. And then this one, you just give it a little bit more lock, power through, and it sort of like gets out of it. So it just kind of feels a lot easier to drift. So it's a bit of a game changer. The extended arms came with new joints, and then obviously the lollipops we did polybush as well. So like the front end just feels so responsive because it's got the cage as well. But I think all the old stuff was like real sloppy. So when I got the cage fitted, it was like still a bit sloppy. I was expecting a bit more responsiveness. And now I've got all these new stuff up front. It just feels like absolutely dialed. Like it's just proper. It just feels like solid. Basically feels like a brand new car, and skidding is like way easier. So yeah, definitely was a good shout fitting the lock kit. I'll just see if I can give you some anti-social driving on the way home, and then we'll call it quits. Try to do some skids on the way home, but it's just too busy. I will see you in the next video. I promise I won't make it 6 weeks before the next one. We've got loads to do, so I will see you very soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.